Meaning of dethrone.
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 Dethrone. The word dethrone refers to the act of removing a monarch or ruler from their position of power. It can also be used more broadly to describe the removal of someone from a position of authority or high status. The result of dethroning someone is that they are no longer in power or control, and their authority is replaced by someone else or by a different system altogether. This can lead to significant changes in the society or organization affected, as well as potential political or social upheaval.